Welcome to Manasa Book. Today I am going to show you how to make healthy watermelon juice for weight loss. Here I am showing how to cut watermelon in easy way. As we all know, watermelon juice is good for us. It has high vitamin A, vitamin C and potassium. It contains 92% of water, so it's plenty hydrating.
Please subscribe my channel.
For this juice, we need a bowl full of watermelon, mint leaves, 1-inch ginger piece, and lime. Scoop the watermelon into the blender. Now add mint leaves and ginger in it. Finally, squeeze the lemon. Blend for about 30 seconds. Ta-da! We have made healthy watermelon juice. If your watermelon had seeds in it or you want your juice to be less pulpy, pour it through a fine mesh and strain it. Give it a little whirl with a spoon. Thank you all for watching my video. See you again.
Please subscribe my channel.